Good day. I believe if you find yourself watching this video, you want to learn website development, starting from HTML to CSS and down to JavaScript. I'll be going through everything in this channel. I'll be teaching everything starting from HTML to CSS down to JavaScript in this channel. So I would love you to watch these videos as I'm uploading them, because I will be making them in short intervals so that you won't feel stressed. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript, that's, let me call it, the basis of website development, what you must know. But the major thing you must know is HTML and CSS. You can actually start building a website using HTML and CSS only. How? Let me explain. What is HTML? Hypertext markup language. Markup language. So you know, HTML is a body. Let me explain it in simple terms. HTML is a body of a human being, like human being, the body without the person wearing any clothes. That just the body of that person. That's HTML. So that's the application of it to the website. Let's say the woman is the website. The woman is the website. So HTML is the body of that woman, just the body. So what's CSS? CSS is the cloth the person is wearing. CSS is the cloth the person is wearing. So since HTML is the body, so CSS is the cloth the person is wearing. So you must be wondering that what will JavaScript be? JavaScript is just the accessories the person is putting on, clothing accessories, maybe jewelries, um, stud, iframes, all those accessories to make the person look better. That is JavaScript. So you see that with just HTML and CSS, you can actually build a website. You just wearing a clothes, you just wearing clothes, and you just wearing clothes, you can go out without accessories. So that is why with just HTML and CSS you can build a website. But to make the website more responsive, to make it more user friendly, you have to apply JavaScript. So JavaScript will make it more, when you see someone wearing clothing accessories, jewelries and all that, the person looks more fashionable, the person looks better. That's just how all this is applicable to web development. So I believe with this explanation you will know that you know what you have to learn as the basis for you to go into web development, because we have a lot of developers now going into we have a lot of developers now in this field. So um you too, you love to go into web development. So if you are willing to go into web development, just follow this course from this video to the end of the video. So I will label them according to how I'm uploading them. So um let's move into the video and let's start web development fully. So thanks for staying to the end of this video. This is just the introduction, what you need to know about web development. So in the next video, I'll be talking about the applications you use, where to download them, what to download in the application, and writing your first code, building your first website, writing your first code. I'll be explaining everything. So stay tuned and watch the next video.